So this company FYY was nice enough to send me a nice laptop sleeve bag, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you what this thing is made out of. And I am gonna take into consideration you guys' comments from my last product review saying like, you know, oh, you're just reviewing the product, or oh, you're not even showing us how like it fits in your pocket for iPhone cases or anything. So this one I'm just gonna be a little bit more in depth and kind of have more wiggle room. That's why my body's right here. So this is a MacBook 12 to 13.3 inch sleeve, bag, case, whatever you like to call it, like as I said. This one in particular is made out of some like black leather. So, you know, you can kind of tell right there. It's kind of nice. It kind of looks a little luxurious, you know. It's really light without a laptop in here, which is what I like. And also the handle is kind of hidden. So like when you first open it, you see that it kind of like flush. But if you open it up, there's the handle. So it kind of just pulls out, you know, you can walk to work just like this. You know, if you like to walk it with the left hand, you can walk it like that. Of course, you know, you got your pocket right here to put your charger, your power bank, your terabyte hard drive, whatever you need. And then you have the zipper, of course, which fits your MacBook. So I have my MacBook 13 inch right here. I'm gonna go ahead and try and fit it in the sleeve. And oh my goodness, inside, I don't know if you can see, it's like some Alcantara, and it feels like one of those like Porsche interiors. Here's my case, hopefully it fits. Boom, let's just close the zippers, and boom, I am ready to go. What I do like about this case is that it puts the zippers on the opposite end of where you carry it, you know? So it kind of mimics like a real briefcase. This one, I'm definitely gonna take to work, and this one, I feel like is just gonna be really nice. They have like 3 to 5 different colors, I forgot. So if you guys did like this product and you do wanna get something very similar, I suggest you click the link in the descriptions below. It'll give you all the information about the company, what they do at FYY, and there will be a link to this exact product if you guys like this. So I know for a fact that someone's gonna comment on my video and be like, dude, you didn't even show us putting that laptop bag into an actual backpack. So what I have here is my everyday go to school, get my degree backpack. And then I have this new laptop case, bag, cover, whatever you wanna call it. So I have a couple books in here right now. I've got like a little planner thing, and then I've got another notebook with just paper in it. So it's kind of full, not too full, but this is going in just like that, and then I'm closing it like normal and go to school with it. So I do believe this bag is multifunctional. It looks luxury, and it provides a perfect fit for your MacBook. If you guys do want this product, check the link down in the description below. Guys, give me a thumbs up. And I do want to say before this video ends, if you are not subscribed already, to hit that subscribe button down below, hit that like button, go ahead and give me a comment, tell me if you love it or if you hate it. What's your first impression of this laptop bag? I'll see you next time. Later, fam.